Hi guys! So after church, since nakabili na po si Zoe ng new kicks niya, kain naman po tayo ng ramen.
Let's go, guys!
Come on, let's see their menu. Tamang relax lang po kami ng konti habang naghihintay po ng food. Ayan po si Zoe, relax na relax. So come on na, let's start eating. It's kinda ramen day today. Thank you for watching. Mwah!